Hello everyone, I'm here, welcome back. And now, this is my video about the sound ch and j, sh and j. Let's go. The sound ch and j. The sound ch. 1. Practice saying the following words at the beginning of words. China, China, chocolate, chocolate, chuck, chuck, cherry, cherry, challenge, challenge, chairman, chairman, charge, charge, cheese, cheese, is the middle of words. Kitchen, kitchen, picture, picture, nature, nature, lunchbox, lunchbox, teacher, teacher, beach ball, beach ball, richer, richer, fortune, fortune. At the end of the words, detach, detach, teacher, teacher, porch, porch, march, march, patch, patch, wrench, wrench, coach, coach, approach, approach. 2. Practice saying the following sentences. Chop chop children eat cherry kitchen adventure. Today, Just will be teaching future champion cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Chop chop children eat cherry's kitchen adventure. Today, Chuck will be teaching future champion cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Chop chop children eat cherry kitchen adventure. Today, Chuck will be teaching future champion cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. B. Customer J. 1. Practice saying the following words at the end of the words. Juice, juice, jewelry, jewelry, genetic, genetic, generosity, generosity, jump, jump, Japan, Japan, junior, junior, young, young, giant, giant, German, German. It's the middle of the words. Zebra, zebra, neither, 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 magic, magic, subject, subject, digest, digest, rejoice, rejoice, erective, erective, majesty, majesty, educate, educate, suggestion, suggestion. At the end of the words, age, age, Cornige, Cornige, postige, postige, stage, stage, pressure, pressure, vinige, vinige, average, average, page, page, courage, courage, knowledge, knowledge. Practice saying the foreign dialogues. You did a good job. I didn't play very well in the basketball game. Sure you did. You did a good job. But I didn't make any points. That's okay. You did a good job. Our team knows the game. But you did a good job. Well, I guess I won't quit the team then. Good. Because you did a good job. See the sound ch and j. Cheap, jeep. Is a cheap type of car. Is a jeep type of car. Chalk, jock. Are you chalking? Are you joking? Riches, riches. A man full of riches. A man full of Jesus. Cherries, cherries. Do you like cherries? Do you like cherries? Nudge, nudge. I want a nudge cheese. I want a nudge cheese. Age, age. Do you write age here? Do you write age here? The sound sh and sh.